I found the 5 best brightening serums that works like magic. Let's transform your skin together.
Welcome to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things skincare and beauty. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Please do not make it your last. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to the channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. Today, we are going to be talking about brightening serums. I'll be showing you my top 5 brightening serums for a glowing complexion. And guess what? These serums I'm about to show you is suitable for every skin type. Be you a dry skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin, some of the serums is going to help tackle your dark spots, your discolorations, uneven skin tone, and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing complexion. So let's dive right into it. First things first, why is a brightening serum important in your skincare routine? Well, the main issue most of us face is hyperpigmentation, discoloration, acne, and uneven skin tone. Most people do battle with dull skin as well. And that is exactly why you need a brightening serum in your skincare routine, because this brightening serums would help you tackle all of those skin concerns and give you a radiant, glowing complexion. So when it comes to picking the right serums for your skin, you actually need to know your skin type. As a dry skin girly, you need a serum that will be able to hydrate your skin and gently exfoliate your skin. While as an oily skin type, you need a lightweight serum that can control oil production on your skin. As a combination skin, you need to understand that your skin is a little in between oily and dry. So you need serums that can be able to balance your skin dryness and at the same time control or minimize oil production on your skin. Whereas if you're a sensitive skin type, you need a soothing serum. If you're anything like me and you're acne prone, you need serums that can be able to tackle both your breakouts and at the same time control the amount of oil being produced on your skin. Now, with all of that out of the way, let me show you guys my top 5 brightening serums that have been tried, tested, and trusted. The first one is this Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. If you have an oily or acne-prone skin type, believe me when I say this Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum is a must-have. This is one of the face serums I used when I had terrible acne breakouts. Niacinamide is a hero ingredient and is definitely going to help brighten up your skin, control the amount of oil being produced on your skin, and give you that radiant glow. This particular Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum is actually one of my favorite serums, and that is because of how amazing it is on the skin. This is one serum that is going to first of all smoothen out your textured skin and give you that instant smooth glowing skin. One thing I enjoy about using this particular niacinamide serum is the fact that it doesn't react on the skin. Like most niacinamide serums I've tried usually react on my skin, but with this particular one, I never experienced any form of irritations, and is actually going to smoothen out your skin and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing face. So if you're looking to brighten up your skin, give this particular serum a try. You're definitely going to love it. It will also help to fade your dark spots, but I actually paired this with another serum that helped to fade my dark spots effectively. So I'll still be showing you guys that particular serum. This right here is suitable for all skin types and complexion. So be you a dark skin, fair skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone, you can use this Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum, or you can opt in for the Good Molecules Brightening Serum. That as well also works amazingly well when it comes to brightening up the skin and tackling your pigmentations and discolorations. This Good Molecules right here retails at the cost of 25,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It's an excellent serum and it's going to help brighten up your skin and give you that amazing glowing skin. Next up on my list is this Anua Niacinamide Serum. This right here is one of the best and effective brightening face serums I've ever used. Guys, believe me when I say this Anua Niacinamide Serum works like magic. because it actually does. This serum is going to help improve your discoloration. I got this in a PR package, and immediately I was done with the first bottle, I knew I had to repurchase. This is an excellent serum, and is not only going to help reduce your pigmentations and discolorations, it's also going to give you that smooth, soft, beautiful, glowing skin. This is a really nice glowing serum that will brighten up your face and make your skin look radiant. I was only using this in my nighttime skincare routine, and guys, the amount of compliments I was receiving during the period I was using the first bottle was amazing, and that was why I had to go repurchase. If you're someone that struggles with large pores, this is a serum that is going to reduce the visible large pores on your skin and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowy effect on the skin. The ingredients in this Anua niacinamide serum is amazing. I love the fact that it contains 10% niacinamide and as well 4% tranexamic acid and arbutin. And guys, it's going to help tackle your dark spots with consistent use. So all you need to do is to be consistent with this serum, and you're going to achieve that bright, radiant, glowing skin that you really want. Another brightening serum that I really love is this Tiam Vitamin C24 Surprise Serum. This is an excellent serum that I really love. I started using this around December, and guys, the amount of compliments and glow effect I was noticing on my face is something that I really love. If you're looking to brighten up your face and clear out your dark spots and uneven skin tone, I'll recommend you get the Tiam Vitamin C serum. You're definitely going to enjoy using this particular serum. It's not just going to brighten up your face, it's also going to help reduce any form of aging signs on your skin. It's an effective brightening serum, and you definitely want to invest in this if you want to have a smooth, beautiful, glowing face. This vitamin C serum is very, very effective, and it works like magic. Within 2 weeks of consistently using this, you're going to be noticing the effect on your skin. I think I'll be making a full review video on this particular serum. And the fact that it contains 22% ascorbic acid with 2% vitamin C derivatives makes it a pure magic in a bottle. Just go try this, and you're definitely going to notice that brighter, glowing skin. It retails at the cost range of 16,500 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. It's a really nice face serum that will brighten and glow your face. Next one right here is the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. How on earth will I be talking about brightening serums and not talk about this right here? This is one serum I have in my skincare routine because of how effective it is for those of you that struggle with acne scars. This right here have been a lifesaver. It's been saving my skin from day one. If you struggle or battle with dark spots, uneven skin tone, discolorations, hyperpigmentation, and you're looking to brighten up your skin and even out your complexion, then I will definitely advise you add this in your skincare routine. You definitely need to have this if you want to get rid of all those discolorations. This is a face serum that is going to brighten up your skin and transform your face with time. All you need is to be consistent with this alpha arbutin serum and add a good sunscreen while using it in your skincare routine, and you're definitely going to love the effect on your skin. It will give you that brighter, smooth, spotless, glowing face. So if you want a flawless, beautiful, glowing skin, just go cop this, and you're definitely going to love it. Moving on, the fifth brightening serum I'll be talking to you guys about is this Uncover Green Tea Blemish Control Serum. This is another excellent brightening serum that I really love, and I actually incorporated this into my skincare routine because of how lightweight it is on the skin. This is one serum that is going to brighten up your skin, and I actually love the ingredients in it. The fact that it contains 3% mandelic acid, 1% salicylic acid, 0.5% azelaic acid, and African green tea makes it a good formula for anyone that wants to clear out their blemishes and at the same time brighten up their skin. This is suitable for oily, acne combination skin type because of how lightweight it feels on the skin, and is also going to help control the amount of oil being produced on your face. So if you really want to tackle your pigmentations, then get this particular serum. It's a treatment serum, so once you achieve your desired results, you can discontinue it. And same goes with the ordinary alpha arbutin serum that I just talked about. The bonus brightening serum I have for you guys is this La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum. How on earth am I going to talk about brightening serums and not mention this baby right here? This particular face serum is one serum that works like magic. You can never go wrong with the La Roche-Posay products. Like, if you have used any of their products, you will know how effective it is on the skin. Using this vitamin C serum from La Roche-Posay is going to give you an excellent, brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So just go cop this and you're going to love the effect. Now, for those of you on a budget or you can't really afford to get this La Roche-Posay vitamin C serum, I have a simple, affordable options for you guys. And the first one I'll be talking to you guys about is the face pack brightening vitamin C serum. This right here is affordable and is also going to help brighten up your skin and serve similar function as well. So if you're on a tight budget, you can cop this particular one, or you can lay your hands on either this Beauty Formulas vitamin C serum or this Roche vitamin C serum. These two right here is also affordable and is also going to serve similar function and help to brighten up your face. So for those of you on a budget, cop any of these three serums and you're definitely going to love it. All these face serums I've shown you is really going to transform your skin, brighten up your skin, and give you a radiant, glowy effect on your skin. So if you want to have a beautiful, bright, glowing skin this year, just go cop any of the serums, add them in your skincare routine, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Try as much as possible to pair them with a good face cream, a good sunscreen, and a good face soap, and you're definitely good to go. I hope today's video was helpful. If you really enjoyed watching today's video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and don't forget to share your thoughts right in the comment section. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.